So now we're gonna go back to that grilling. It's a corn dog experience of epic proportions because it's not just about the recipe, it's all in how it's put together and then grilled up. Cornbread isn't just a side dish, it is the co-star of this dynamite dog. So Bill, are you ready for all this?
You know what, I've made it out here to the front parking lot. I'm with a couple of my favorite people that we have on the show. Craig and Gay Jones are here in the house today. This is, so let me set this up. Our executive producer said this is a life-changing dish. Like, it seriously has changed her life.
Well, that's good to hear. We love that.
So this is a chili corn dog, right?
Yeah.
What makes it life-changing? Well, maybe I should ask her that question.
Yeah, well, yes, but you know, I think what throws people off, because I've been talking about it at work all week. They're like, "How do you do a corn dog on the grill? How do you know this is just
how it's
it makes no sense, right?" So I'm gonna let you in on the secret. And then hopefully
you're only
Bill,
getting it here.
That's right. And then hopefully we're gonna change your life too.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. All right.
So what are we starting out with? Is this just normal cornbread or corn?
Yeah, cornbread batter. You know, you can get it in a mix. You can have your own batter that you like to make it out. And then what I do is we're gonna take some hot dogs here. I think I've got 5 of them here.
Okay.
You can do 6 if you want to scoot it in.
And these are just your normal ballpark hot dogs?
Well, these are actually hot dogs that come from a higher power.
Oh, really?
Yeah, these are kosher hot dogs. What's the name of that?
Hebrew Nationals.
Hebrew Nationals.
There we go.
So, you know, we always like those. So those
very
are,
Old Testament.
Very, very. So what you do is you put them in there. Pretty easy. We put it on the grill now. I know you're becoming a grilling expert now.
Well, I don't know.
You tell me what side of how are we going to cook this?
Well, it looks like indirect heat to me.
Look at it. That's
so
awesome.
What temperature are you going for then on your indirect heat style? I mean, because normally when you cook up some bread or something in the oven, you're going to go for like a 350 degrees, right?
So that's about a medium heat on what we consider medium heat on the grill, 350 to 450. So that's exactly what we're going to do.
Okay.
We're going to cook that for about 17 minutes or so.
Yeah.
And this is what it looks like. Like I could let this one go in maybe a little bit longer just to brown it up. But that's as easy as it is. So
that's all it takes.
Oh, I should mention. So we line it with parchment.
Oh,
so it comes out very easily.
Super easy to pull out from there. Okay.
So we put it there.
So, Gay, what about this is your favorite part of the dish?
Oh, I like the dressings.
The dressings on top.
Yes, that's what makes it so delicious.
Is that what we're talking about next, or do we have to cut them up here, or what's the best way to go on?
I got them for you over here.
All right.
So we take them, we cut them up. You could also take these, cut them in half, make little bite-sized pieces out of them. We've got some chili that you could add to it. We put some cheese on it. You can put scallions on it. Like Gay said, it's really the fun part is just dressing it up.
So I see you only have mustard as a side item here. Are you team ketchup and mustard on hot dogs or just team ketchup on hot dogs?
I'm team you do you.
You do you, whatever makes you happy?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a hardliner, mustard only.
Mustard only.
Mustard only.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Now, we used hot dogs, like you said, Hebrew National, but is this a dish where you can use different sausages or bratwurst or anything like that?
You know what, really, you could use any ingredient that you want in here. Just make sure it's cooked.
Yeah.
Okay, so the hot dog's already cooked, so we don't want to cook the meat on the grill. In the bread.
Yeah, you want to make sure it's cooked before you put it in the bread to cook up.
So you know, it'd be a fun one to do would take, like, say you had some extra burnt ends.
Ooh.
I don't know who has extra burnt ends, but you know what I mean. If you had some burnt ends or something, you could put it in there.
Try that out.
Then put some barbecue sauce on top. Wouldn't that be nice?
Or what if you did some of those cheddar-filled bratwursts?
Some of my favorites.
Cooked that up and then popped it in there. Then you have your cornbread cheddar. Oh my goodness! All right, well, we got to start dressing some of these up here. Do you mind if I go ahead?
Go, you find the one that appeals to you.
This one looked the best to me here right away.
You want her to cut that in half? It might be easier to handle there. There we go.
Craig,
Perfect.
come on. Do you ever expect me to do the easy thing? All right, we're going to get some chili on there.
Well, you know, Bill, we want to keep you clean
now
today.
Is there? Well, I'm wearing a white shirt for a reason.
Yes.
All right, and we got to put a little bit of
mustard
on there. Hot dog purist with mustard only. All right.
That's looking good.
There we go. So we've got the cornbread cooked up around the hot dog with a little bit. Now, is there anything special about the chili here? Just your guys' house chili?
No, it's one I do. I cook in the Instant Pot, so you can just do your own chili. You can do canned chili, whatever it is. You know, whatever works easy for you.
Okay.
But see, the important thing here is Gay and I really want to find out, is this going to change your life?
All right.
Here we go. This is the
comes
moment.
The life-changing moment if I don't drop it on the cutting board. All right, here we are.
It's going in all done on the grill.
Mm-hmm.
Got that delicious.
What do you think? Corn dogs on the grill. It can be done. And that's, and probably the fun thing about this is, again, I love cooking outside because we think the food tastes better. It's more fun. And, really our philosophy is anything you cook inside, we can do outside.
Well, no, that cornbread is fantastic around the holidays. That's wonderful. Oh my goodness.
Well, I think
Belinda, I don't know if you can take a pause and just come on out here and enjoy some chili corn dogs with us here. Maybe we'll save you some for here in just a little bit. What do you say?
Well, Billy, you better save me some. Craig and Gay, thank you so much. But we've got the rest of the show to do. Craig and Gay, they'll be back doing a mac and cheese dish.